How to use and apply green tea face mask for acne scars. Green tea has been used for over centuries by millions of people because of its health benefits. The weight loss, obesity, perfect rate of metabolism and many more health areas are there where this drink can be much help. Green tea contains various antioxidants and catechins that boost immunity and waves our metabolism. Green tea contains 0 calories that makes it the most loved and headfirst drink. With its increasing popularity, more and more people are switching to green tea. It not only gives a kickstart to our metabolism but also improves blood circulation. It enhances the blood flow, thereby reducing the risks of heart diseases. It lowers the cholesterol level in the body and treats inflammation effectively. Green tea is not only beneficial in keeping us healthy internally, it also helps in keeping our skin healthy. Benefits of green tea for acne and scars are very appreciative. The various elements present in green tea helps in treating many skin ailments. Especially green tea mask for acne is really a helpful one. Remedie. There are a variety of products available in the market to treat acne, but they do more harm than good. Green tea has excellent anti-inflammatory properties that fight acne effectively and keeps the skin clean and glowing. Uses of green tea for acne. First remedy. Let the leaves get infused in hot water. Sip it few times a day. Green tea leaves for skin acne are best source for acne removal. Ditch your regular tea and replace it with green tea. You'll notice the difference in a few days. However, even if the result is not visible, just continue the same, as in some case the visibility of the result may also take some time. Second remedy. Boil a little water and add a tea bag of green tea to it. Cover it up with a small lid. Apply it to your affected area using a cotton ball after it cools down. Do this few times a day. You will feel the difference in the affected area in a couple of weeks. Third remedy. Add a tea bag to boiling water. Use this to mix with your favorite lotion to make it a green tea enriched lotion. Apply this lotion on the face every night after washing the face. Fourth remedy. Prepare your green tea. Allow it to cool down and add it to a small spray bottle. Use it as a toner to spray of your face to fight acne. Fifth remedy. Grind dried green tea leaves into a fine powder. Mix it with water and apply it to your face. Leave it for 10 minutes. Wash it with lukewarm water. Sixth remedy. Take brewed tea leaves. Mix it with some honey and apply this as a mask on your face. Leave it until it dries and washes with water. Use this mask twice a week. Subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button. Click the bell button. Get notified directly from health tips for the latest uploads.